Hey folks, welcome to another VR video. Today I've got something pretty cool. The developers behind a game that I tried way back at VR Arcade Conference have made an announcement this morning that their new game, Starship Commander Arcade, is coming to arcades, hopefully everywhere, on December 10th. So I got the opportunity to play a very early build of this months ago. It was definitely in an alpha state, and the game is finally going to be available for everyone to play. And this game is a little bit different than a lot of other VR experiences in that there are no controllers except for your voice. So this particular game uses a system called Microsoft Cognitive Services to recognize what you're saying. It's also got a very unique dictionary, so there are a bunch of added words that, because it's a science fiction title, have been added to the vocabulary of the game. So a lot of things that you might not expect to work when you say it will actually be recognized and responded to by the game. This game was made by a group of developers called Human Interact, and their goal with this was to make something that would be a mass market game that really could appeal to anyone, whether you're a child or a grandparent. And I think they've done a pretty good job of that. And it also makes you feel like you're in the middle of a scene in an action film. So I only can show a very brief amount of this gameplay right now, but I wanted to give you a small sneak preview of what Human Interact and Starship Commander Arcade are going to bring to the table in just a couple of weeks. So again, no controllers for this one, which is pretty cool. Right now I'm looking at the small model of the XR-71, which is the ship that I'm inside. Open the hatch!
Voice print accepted. Welcome, Commander.
And it recognized me. Pretty awesome.
You are being hailed by Sergeant Pearson.
Acknowledge.
Hello, Commander. I'm Sergeant Pearson. I've been assigned on your wing today. In all my years as a fighter pilot, I've never been assigned an escort mission before, but here we are. Hey, what's the inside of the factory look like anyway? They don't let us sergeants in there.
It's shiny, but it's also kind of boring.
Well, you used to be in the science division, right? I guess I can't blame you for being underwhelmed. You probably saw some pretty crazy stuff.
Okay, let's get on with it.
Okay, but before we get started, I'm wondering, how old are you?
12.
12? Must be good to get away from your parents, huh? Now, the boys tell me this is your first time flying a ship.
So the reason I said that is because
worry,
it actually
XR-71
changes the
practically
language
flies
based
itself.
on your age.
You just need to know a few
To make it
commands.
either adult or child
First,
appropriate.
tell the ship's computer to release the engine lock.
Release the engine lock.
Ah, no, you see, you have to say computer first, or else those dumb things don't know what you want.
Computer, release the engine lock.
Okay, great. Now, it looks like the Admiral's already pre-programmed our coordinates, so just tell the computer to use the autopilot and we'll be on our way.
Computer, use the autopilot.
Not bad. Looks like you're a natural. I'm going to tell the boys back at home that they were wrong about you. I'll see you in the next system. End transmission.
All right, so that was a quick look, very, very quick. The first couple of minutes of Human Interact's Starship Commander Arcade. If you want to see more, there is a trailer that I'm actually going to link right below this in the description, so you can see a little bit further into the gameplay. And again, if you want to check out the game for yourself, it's coming out on December 10th, hopefully at an arcade near you. Please call and check ahead. I'm not sure exactly which arcades this is coming to, but I know that the developers are very excited to get this in the hands of VR arcades everywhere. Hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll be back with more content soon, actually a little bit later today with a different game. Until next time, get out there and enjoy some VR for yourself, and thanks for watching.